First of all, we create a Flask Python application, just a simple one, nothing incredible. Put the main function and make it return something easy. Test it, it works. Create the Docker file. Copying the requirements file that we're about to create in just 1 second. Exposing port 8001. Telling it to run the Flask app command. Here's the requirements file. Now building the Docker file. Running the Docker file on the port we exposed. Testing it out. And there we go.